Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about ionization of water. We know pure water is a non-conductor. But even very pure distilled water, it contains some ions. Because of that, water is conducting, isn't it? In water molecule, all the water are neutral state. All the water molecules are in neutral state. But they somehow dissociate into ions. Because of that only there is a possibility of conductivity. Here I gave two water molecules. One is act as acid, another one is base. In acid water molecule there is a removal of H. As it lost the electron, it becomes H plus. It is named as proton. But in OH, it retained the electron, so it becomes minus charge, a hydroxide ion. OH minus. This proton is adjoined with the unionized water molecule. So the plus charge is common for the entire ion. That is H3O plus. That is nothing but hydronium ion. So the water is ionized as H3O plus hydronium ion and OH minus because of transfer of H plus ion from one water molecule to another. So we are getting hydronium ion and hydroxide ion because of the transfer of H plus ion. Even in product side, hydronium ion can give proton to the OH minus and it become again water molecule, isn't it? This H3O plus give H plus and it become water molecule. So it is given as equilibrium. Ionized water molecule and unionized water molecules are at equilibrium. By shortcut, we can write the equation as 2H2O at equilibrium. We are getting the H3O plus and OH minus ion. This is named as the ionization of water. One water molecule acts as acid and another one is as base. At 25 degrees Celsius, the reactant is highly favored. That is nothing but water molecule is at a liquid state. Here the hydronium ion and the OH minus ion. To differentiate this, which is favor, reactant is favor. So in the figure, we focus the reactant side. If we have to write the equilibrium constant, K equilibrium is equal to concentration of H3O plus and the concentration of OH minus. As water is in liquid state, we no need to write the concentration of water. As we are dealing with water, we can write the equilibrium as Kw. What is Kw? The ionization constant of water. Kw is ionization constant of water at 25 degrees Celsius. It was experimentally found that the concentration of H3O plus in pure water is 1 in 10 to the minus 7 at 25 degrees Celsius. The dissociation of water produces equal number of H3O plus and OH minus. Then the concentration of OH minus also equal to 1 into 10 to the minus 7 at 25 degrees Celsius. The ionic product of water at 25 degrees Celsius is Kw is equal to concentration of H3O plus and OH minus. We know that is 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 for H3O plus and OH minus also 1 into 10 to the power minus 7. Both are in multiplication, so we have to add the power minus 7 plus minus 7, we are getting minus 14, that is 10 to the power minus 14. So ionization constant of water at 25 degrees Celsius is 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. So Kw at 25 degrees Celsius is 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. Only at 25 degrees Celsius. The Kw is always depend upon the concentration of H3O plus and the concentration of OH minus at any temperature. Aqueous solution it contain water molecule, isn't it? All aqueous solution contains some H3O plus ions and some OH minus ions. All aqueous solution contains some H3O plus ion and OH minus ion. By definition, for any aqueous solution, if H3O plus is equal to OH minus, the solution is neutral. If the concentration of H3O plus is greater than OH minus, the solution is acidic. If the concentration of H3O plus is less than OH minus, the solution is basic. So depending upon the concentration of H3O plus and OH minus, we can define either the solution is neutral, acidic or basic solution.